Imagine having the power to create stunning images with just a few clicks. And the best part, it's completely free. With the latest advancements in AI technology, you can now generate high-quality images without spending a dime. And we're about to dive into the top 5 free AI image generators that will revolutionize your creative workflow. You'll learn how to use these tools to take your visual content to the next level, from generating stunning artwork to creating engaging social media posts. First up is Midjourney, a powerful AI image generator that can create breathtaking artwork from text prompts. For instance, you can use Midjourney to generate a futuristic cityscape for a sci-fi novel cover. And a quick tip is to use specific keywords like cyberpunk or neon lit to get the desired results. Next up is DALL-E, another popular AI tool that can generate images from text prompts. And a great use case is creating custom illustrations for a children's book. And a quick tip is to use simple and concise language to get the best results. Number 3 is Canva, a well-known graphic design platform that now offers a built-in AI image generator. And you can use it to create stunning social media graphics, such as a Facebook post announcing a new product launch. And a quick tip is to use the platform's pre-made templates to get started quickly. Here is a powerful one, Notion AI, which can generate images and videos. And a great use case is creating explainer videos for a new product or service. And a quick tip is to use the platform's built-in script editor to craft a compelling narrative. Next, we have Runway, an AI-powered video editing platform that can also generate images. And you can use it to create stunning video thumbnails, such as a thumbnail for a YouTube video showcasing a new travel destination. And a quick tip is to use the platform's color grading tools to make your thumbnail stand out. Another notable mention is Perplexity, an AI tool that can generate images and text. And a great use case is creating engaging blog posts, such as a post showcasing a new fashion trend. And a quick tip is to use the platform's built-in research tools to find relevant and trending topics. We also have Claude, an AI assistant that can generate images and text, and you can use it to create custom memes, such as a meme showcasing a funny quote. And a quick tip is to use the platform's built-in library of images and templates to get started quickly. Additionally, there's Leonardo AI, a platform that offers a range of AI-powered tools, including image generation. And a great use case is creating stunning product demos, such as a demo for a new smartwatch. And a quick tip is to use the platform's built-in animation tools to make your demo engaging. Other notable mentions include ElevenLabs, which can generate realistic voiceovers and images, Gamma, which offers AI-powered image and video editing tools, and Suno, which provides AI-powered image generation and manipulation tools. ChatGPT is also a great tool that can be used to generate text prompts for image generation. And a quick tip is to use the platform's built-in language understanding capabilities to craft a compelling prompt. In recap, we've covered Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, Runway, Perplexity, Claude, Leonardo AI, ElevenLabs, Gamma, Suno, and ChatGPT, each offering unique capabilities and use cases for generating stunning images. Now that you've learned about these powerful tools, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest AI trends and tools. And don't forget, this is part 2 of our free AI tools series. So be sure to subscribe to catch part 3, where we'll dive into even more exciting AI tools and technologies.